Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Intelligent Action Summit. Why in news? The Artificial Intelligence Action Summit, set to take place on 10th and 11th of February 2025 in Paris, is a key global event focused on regulating AI without hindering innovation. It is an initiative by French President Emmanuel Macron with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi co-chairing the summit. About background of Paris AI Summit. The 2023 Bletchley Park Summit highlighted AI's potential doomsday risk, leading to the Bletchley Declaration on AI Safety, signed by 25 states including the US and China. The 2024 Seoul Summit brought together 16 leading AI companies, resulting in voluntary commitments towards transparency and responsible AI development. The Paris Summit will now expand these efforts by addressing concentrated power in the AI market, dominated by companies like Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta. Main themes of AI Summit. Public Interest AI. The aim of the Public Interest track is to define, build, and deliver critical open public infrastructure for the global AI sector to drive beneficial social, economic, and environmental outcomes in the public interest. Future of Work. The aim of the Future of Work track is to provide a platform for dialogue on how AI can support the future of work agenda by promoting AI usage that enhances productivity and well-being. Innovation and Culture. The aim of the Innovation and Culture track is to support and build dynamic and sustainable innovation ecosystems that work hand in hand with all economic sectors, notably cultural and creative industries. Trust in AI. The aim of this track is to consolidate the mechanisms to build trust in AI based on an objective scientific consensus on safety and security issues. Global AI Governance. The aim of this track is to shape an effective and inclusive framework of international governance for AI, building on the work conducted within the United Nations and on existing initiatives like the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence. Key features of the summit. The summit begins at the Grand Palais with a multi-stakeholder forum involving government representatives, businesses, civil society, researchers, artists, and journalists. Through conferences, roundtables, and presentations, participants will explore solutions to AI challenges and opportunities. A summit of heads of state and government will focus on agreeing on collective actions for AI regulation and innovation. Significance of India's role. Prime Minister Modi's participation underscores India's growing role in shaping global AI policy. His leadership alongside Macron highlights India's commitment to leveraging AI for inclusive development and bridging global regulatory gaps. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about AI Action Summit. The AI Action Summit is scheduled to be held in February 2025 in Geneva. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a co-chair of the summit. Which of the statements given above are correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.